Why the hell is the hair at this point of my head growing taller than everything else? Like, look at this shit. Bitch. As you can see, I'm a pretty muscular guy. But I hate the gym. Not because I don't believe in staying fit and healthy, but because you have some niggas in the gym with just unnecessarily thick, them big and bulky for no reason. The reason why I say them unnecessarily thick is because whenever you go in at the gym, you don't see people where their occupation require them being in the gym. You see a brother the other day, I'm asking him like, yo my boss, what you do, you wrestle? Him say no. You fight people for your living? Him say no. What you do, you lift up mountain? Like you exercise for the goddamn Olympics, the strongest man in the universe? Him say no. Me say you box down cow for your living? Like kick down donkey and cow for your living? Him say no. So me say, so why you so RASS stick? He say you don't know, he just want tick. So me say, yo, why occupation? The man say, impact pillow. Impact pillow, you know, people. Now the last time I check one pillow not so heavy. Why you need for so thick for pack pillow? You pack goddamn sponge in one pillow and you look like a friggin' sponge for steroids and goddamn protein shake. Unnecessarily thick. Me see all another brother and me ask him the same thing. Man say no, him is a doctor. What the f***? Why you need for so thick for be a doctor? What you do? You lift up like the dead people them? Cause if I dead people them, I lift up more than understand. Cause human dead weight is not a nice thing to lift up. The man say no, him is a chemist. What the bumbo? You're a chemist? So you tell me say I saw one test tube baby that you need to look so big and thick and crusty. Virginia, unnecessarily thick. If you plan for thick, have a job. It require you for thick. There's no need for all this unnecessary bulkiness walking around. Just stand you mother snuckers. Stop telling people say you do some little soft work when I require you for thick. Cause you just look thick for no reason. Too goddamn thick, nigga. Shit! You making me look bad. When people ask you why you're so thick, but I tell them about like a soft job when I require you being thick. Tell people say your box don't cow for your living. Tell people say you work with the fire department and when the jaws of life now work and you them bring in for like tear off doors and them shit. Tell people say you wrestle. Tell people say you train to be the strongest man in our universe. Tell people say you bodybuild professionally. Tell people say you throw the discus, the hammer, the shot put, the javelin. Tell people something when match, but stop tell people say you do some job when I require you being thick. Unnecessarily thick. Someone are just damn thick with no purpose behind. You have some niggas like them they at the gym 24/7. Even pan a holiday them in at the gym and work out. Like calm down. You can't take a goddamn day off. What do you ever tell me about you're a nurse? I so big and thick. I saw gym sweet. Someone make me hate the gym. Cause as me step in the gym and look and see, I wanna just big and bulky. Like, I wanna just demotivate me. When me step in the gym and see someone, this is what come to my mind. Man, f this. Like, why do you have to be so thick? What are you trying to prove, Hercules? I can't stand some of you. Unnecessarily thick. You don't need all that muscle. Like, there are niggas out here who need more muscle than you. Like, why do you feel like you need to have all the thickness? That's selfish, man. Getting all the women and shit with your big, greasy, well-toned, greasy muscle, nigga. F you. I work out for no goddamn reason. Every day I just want to look thick. If a woman had the only motivation behind you working out, then man work out there, man get the girl, let me I'm a boss. But some of the niggas just unnecessarily thick. And that's some shit like I will never understand. Thick for no RASS reason. Subscribe. Like my fan page on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. And yo, this was the auto tune of like way back when. You know, this was the auto tune. Goddamn, I think my lungs just exploded. This fan is blowing dust in my mouth. But it feels so good to use the auto tunes, yeah.
Yes, man.